Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So if you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today guys, I'm just checking in with you to see how you're doing, especially with this coronavirus scare that we are having right now. Basically a worldwide thing, right? To see what's happening with you and let you know what's happening with me here, or with us here in the BVI, British Virgin Islands. I will start with that. So far we haven't had any scare, right? Actually I shouldn't say scare, there is a scare. We haven't had any confirmed cases as yet. I just checked with my updates on Facebook and we haven't had any confirmed cases so far. What the government has been doing so far, the last note that I got is that they stopped all the cruise ships from coming into the ports. I think that's for next 30 days. I saw that note maybe about 2 days ago. So they have stopped them from coming into the BVI for 30 days now. For 30 days. I don't know what they're going to do, like, because in case you don't know, one of the main source of revenue for the BVI is tourism, right? So we have people from the cruise ship, we have people coming on yachts and stuff, and people who may not come from the airport. In the BVI airport, they will come through St. Thomas. So that's another source where tourists will come through, right? So I haven't heard anything about what they're going to do with the yachts. Maybe, I don't know, right? They may have put a stop on that too as well, but I don't know. I haven't heard any news on that. And in respect to people coming in from St. Thomas through the ferries and stuff, I haven't heard anything from that too as well. But they can't really stop the ferries because we have people doing general commerce back and forth every day, a few times a day. So probably they may minimize the trips from St. Thomas and stuff to the BVI and things like that. I haven't heard any confirmed notes what they're doing from that source of entry as yet. So that's what we'll be going through right now. And I noticed in the Catholic Church, we have stopped, there's a section where we shake hands and stuff just to express peace with one another and everything. They have stopped that. And normally we'll have like what we do, we as a symbol we drink some wine from what we call it's like a gold vase, a gold glass, like, and the civil will use one glass and everybody will take a sip. The civil will wipe when a person take a sip, and then another person take a sip. A sip is not really sanitary, really, thinking about it, but they have stopped that, which I think they needed to do for a little while now. It's not really sanitary. I mean, no matter how much you wipe, it's just not sanitary, right? So they have stopped that. People have been using like disposable gloves, which this is a good practice generally. As a matter of fact, I went to the grocery store today and I went to the cafeteria and they weren't using any gloves at all. I was kind of surprised that they weren't doing that, even though they weren't doing it before. They should have started doing that. They were they're using their bare hands and stuff, so I think I'll leave a note on our Facebook group to people to be aware that the people in the cafeteria section, they should be using the gloves, when they're serving people and things like that, so I mean, it should be a regular thing, not a thing that's because of the coronavirus. It should be a regular thing, so yeah. And let me see, I went to the grocery. Well, here we import everything. Majority of stuff, I should say, majority of stuff we import, right? But so far, I went to the grocery. I went today, and everything I've seen, the things that people are saying in other countries, in the bigger countries where there's a scarce of, I found toilet paper, I found wipes. I wish I could get to send my daughter some wipes because she went to the store, she went to Pennywise a few days ago and she couldn't get the wipes and stuff. So but I think she got some now. She got to the Pennywise store very, very early before they were open. There were long lines, and when she did get into the store, she couldn't get what she wanted. So I said, if I could have sent the wipes to her, because I know if I do send the wipes to her, somehow I feel she wouldn't get it, So anyway, so I saw wipes, I saw toilet paper, general stuff that people say that they're out of. I'm seeing we have it here now, but I'm thinking now, like I said, we import everything, and maybe after a while we might be able to get these stuff. But I'm positive about this whole thing. As long as we do necessary stuff that we need to do, I think we'll be all right, right? Water, we have water. One grocery store didn't have any, another one I saw we had. What we do here, we have a sale like every month with the water. Maybe I get a case for $2.99 a case. And what the suppliers do, the grocery stores do, we are limited to 4 cases per person, right? So That's a big help, so you wouldn't have a big scare where, you know, people can't get water. Everybody will get a chance to get some water and stuff, you know. So I think maybe some of what these places overseas will have to do that, you know, like limit people to like toilet paper, limit them to water, so everybody can get a chance to get their supply. In respective videos, there's so much I want to say as I'm talking. I'm getting things I need to talk about, to touch on. I saw a video. I'm going to show you a clip in a few seconds. This young lady, she's working in a food industry, and she had one side of a disposable gloves in one hand and one hand was bare. And you know those paper cups you use when you're making like cupcakes and stuff? She used the bare hand to separate the those cups. Now what she did was she blew into it, right? Now she's attempting to separate them. She didn't really spit on it, she was trying to separate them, right? And she blew into it and to separate them, and when she was done now, she put whatever the dough that she had there into the cups, you know. And I couldn't understand, you know. I showed the video and people were mostly appalled, you know, and what she was doing, you know. I mean, it's appalling, yes, but I felt sorry for her. I think that she should be educated that, you know, regardless of what is going on, it's not a good practice. It's not a good practice to be doing, especially when you're working in a food industry and things like that. I'm sure there are different ways that different techniques you could use to separate these paper cups. I know it's difficult sometimes to separate them, but I'm sure there's a way that they can be done. You know, I wouldn't like her to use her job, lose her job because of this, but I think she needs to be educated and to find there's a better way to do that, you know. So again, I'll show you the clip so you can see what I'm talking about. Another one, I saw another video with some people in the grocery store again. Three big women fighting for toilet paper. A case of toilet paper. It so happens that two women were together and one lady was by herself. My camera keep getting out of focus. Yeah, two women were by themselves. Two women were together, another woman was by herself. And apparently the two women had like a trolley that had a few cases of toilet paper already. They had maybe about 3 or 4 and was fighting for another one, where the other lady, who was by herself, apparently she didn't have any, and she was saying, well, you know, at least I don't have any. I would like to get a case of toilet paper, and you already have. I picked up that based on her action, because I wasn't really hearing the audio. Okay guys, for some reason, again, like I said, my camera keep getting out of focus, but I hope I can finish this. Anyway, so right, so I talked about the BVI and everything. So about Trinidad, what I heard so far is that my daughter said she went to the grocery about 2 days ago, and she went to Pennywise to get some stuff like wipes and stuff for her baby, and she got there early and there was a long line. And even though when she got in there after, she still couldn't get what it is she wanted, you know. But I think eventually she got her items and everything, you know. So I heard that schools are closed this week. Today is the 16th. Schools are closed this week. So you know, that's all I heard so far. So let me know what's going on with you. I just want to know if you guys are safe, and we are basically safe on this side. We haven't heard, like I said, we haven't heard any confirmed cases so far, and everything is going all right, on track. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section below how you guys are doing and what you're up to and being safe and things like that. So this is just a touch base with you guys, let you know what's happening with me in the BVI, and I'd just like to know what's going on with you in wherever area you're living. All right, I think that's it for today. Much love, Martina. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.